Good morning, class. My name is Dr. C, and I will be with you for this semester, instructing you in Math 165, Section W02, Elementary Statistics. And so I wanted to give a little virtual tour here of the Blackboard shell. And when you first log into Blackboard, you should be starting at the Start Here menu. And within Start Here, there's a number of steps that you need to step through before you actually start the course. Okay, so it looks like maybe 10 particular steps here, and it's literally from the top down. And so right now you're participating in watching the introduction video. The second step is simply talking about the privacy issues with Blackboard, with Statcrunch, with MyOpenMath, with the texting service called Remind, etc. So we've got built into this course a lot of different software, and each of those software comes with different privacy statements. So that's the second thing. There's a copyright notice here from Harper College that you're welcome to read here. The next step, this is entirely voluntary, but if you would like to contact me via text message, and I can also contact you via text message through this third-party application called Remind, leaves your phone number anonymous, then you can use your phone to text back and forth. Now, for important official correspondence, I still want you to use email, but for a quick question, I'm highly accessible if you use the text messaging service called Remind. So I highly recommend you sign up for that, but it is completely voluntary. The next thing on the list, we all need a TI-84 calculator. This is because the TI-84 calculator does all of the necessary statistical computations on that calculator. I do not recommend you buy this calculator. They're close to $150 at particular stores. I would simply check it out through the library, or you could borrow one from a friend, but the library does have a checkout form, and if you click on this link, it will simply take you to a form that you can fill out, and this is through the library. And not only are you able to apply for a graphing calculator, but if you have inconsistent internet where you're at, or you don't have access to a computer, you can apply for requesting a Chromebook or a Wi-Fi hotspot. But at the very least, I need you to request a graphing calculator. Once you submit this form to the college, they will contact you as far as picking up the calculator. So moving back. So I want you to pick up a calculator through the library. The next thing is we all have to use a semi-professional statistics package called Statcrunch. This is much more powerful than our calculator and gives us some insight into an actual statistical computational software. And that's $15. This is the only fee associated with this class. You can rent the calculator for free. The textbook is posted in chapters every single week. The next thing I want you to do after you've filled out the form to request a calculator and register for Statcrunch is to make a video introduction of yourself to the class. So I want all of us to be, use your phone or a webcam on your laptop, and a simple 2 to 3 minute video talking about your interest at Harper College, what your goals are for this class, for after this class, and lastly, something that's interesting or unique about you. You simply click on Make a Video Introduction, and the software we're using is called Go React, and there's a help button here. if you want to click on this first to understand what Go React is. But Go React allows you to upload into Blackboard a video that you would make from your cell phone. So this is kind of a nice, fun, a little bit more personal introduction rather than using a letter to all of us through a chat or a discussion board. Okay, I'll limit it to 3 minutes, but be as creative or as fun as you want to on this introduction video. The next thing is the syllabus and the statement of understanding. Now I have links here for the syllabus and the statement of understanding, but those can both be found under the syllabus link in Blackboard. So the syllabus is a lengthy 11-page document. I do not want to read that in front of you now. That's something that you will peruse through. To note, I want you to read it carefully. There is a quiz covering the syllabus. In the last page of the syllabus, there's a statement of understanding. I want you to fill that out and sign it. The statement of understanding, you can upload that signed document here. And again, you can print that out, fill it out with a pencil or pen, take a picture of that document with your phone, and then upload it here as a PDF document. Now, I've included some links here that you can download as apps onto your phone. Depending if you have an Android or Apple phone, you can create PDF documents for free with these particular programs on your phone. So fill out the statement of understanding, take a picture of it with your phone, and then use that to upload a PDF document here of the statement of understanding. The next thing is an orientation quiz. It's short answer, multiple choice, true, false type of orientation quiz. And this orientation quiz is literally taking questions about the syllabus. So read the syllabus, fill out the statement of understanding, upload that document, take the orientation quiz, and once you've completed these 10 or so steps, then you can get started on the course. And what I mean by get started on the course, you would go to course materials. So once you've completed the Start Here menu, you go to course materials, and week 1, week 2, week 3, etc. will be opened. I have the first 4 weeks opened once you complete the syllabus quiz. Now, if you try to take a shortcut and just go to course materials, none of these folders will be available to you until you finish that syllabus quiz. So you have to get 100% on the syllabus quiz, and then all of these folders, weeks 1 through 4, will open. Now, what do these look like? For each week, I talk about what's in the materials that we're covering. I talk about the activities and the assignments. So each folder will have an overview where I stress the activities and the assignments. And then there's an activities folder and an assignments folder. So every single week, and we have 16 weeks, will be formatted this way. You'll have a week 1, week 2, week 3, etc., etc. And within each folder, you'll have activities and assignments. Activities are things that are not graded. And so you'll print out a lecture guide, you'll watch videos, you have access to flashcards. So these are things that you do, these are activities, but they're not graded. The assignments folder within each week has all the materials that are graded. So there's a quiz, you upload it here, and then this is the homework, section 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. This is for the first week. This is all done through MyOpenMath. You do not need to sign up with an account. It's all done through Blackboard. So every single week under the assignment folder, you'll have a quiz. You can upload the quiz, and you have the homework. When you click on these homework links, it simply takes you to a third-party website that has each homework. So that's what one folder looks like within every single week. Each week has an overview, activities, and assignments. And there are, of course, 16 weeks. And so course materials will have 16 folders. Now, like I said, these will not be accessible until you get 100% on the orientation quiz. And so that is an overview of the Blackboard shell. You will start with start here. You'll work down, finally getting to the orientation quiz. Once you complete that and get a 100%, it will open up the folders in course materials. Okay. So if we look at the student view of the menu on the left, this is what you should see on your Blackboard shell. Start here, syllabus, course materials, which does not open up until you get 100% on the syllabus. And then some important features of the Blackboard shell, the course calendar, your gradebook. You can always email me. If you look at the course calendar, what's nice about that is at a glance, it tells you due dates. So this is true for any class, not just statistics. If you step through each month in the calendar, it will step you through different due dates. Now it's not showing the ones for October, September, because those folders aren't available yet, because I'm only showing every 4 weeks. But the nice thing about the calendar for any class is at a glance, it shows you due dates for assignments in that class. All right, that should get you started working through the Blackboard shell. Again, you want to start here and work through these steps to finally open the course materials. So my name is Dr. C. I'm happy to start and explore the journey of statistics with you this semester. And I wish you all good luck, and I hope to hear from you soon.